and they also love fun. Now guys, do you think that's so hot the ability to find a hidden object? If it can just say, you can do it, Puzzle! Come on, Puzzle, find a hidden object for us. Now, for our next feature birds are just like any young couple, more notably, meaning they will be linked or partners for life. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will test, in a relationship, there will always be balance. Meet Nancy and Rocky are the co-pair of the hawk. And they will battle out to see who is the best in a basketball game. But before starting to battle, I'll be inviting you into this. On the full board, Nancy, come on, let me say, Nancy, Nancy. And I'm up my wife, so let's do it for Rocky. Rocky, Rocky. Everyone's ready, stand, go. Here's the Rocky and first ball. Follow only by 10. Then again, go for Rocky, let's see who's gonna win. It's the time for the left, so Rocky wins the ball. That's so fast. Seriously, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time. Hold this. He wants another race. Oh, you want another race, Trainer Freddy?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Chancey to lose again?
This time I guarantee you, the champion I will be.
So, what brings you up in mind?
I think about the race. And what's the race? The person who gets the finish to the pole, that passes the winner, and that is the relay. So, the relay is so be. Remember, that one's already on 1 point. So, girls, let's do more chances to win this done. We'll be doing this again, and this time in my relay. Ready, set, go! Here's the option first thing. I'm having a remote. Oh, what's happening? Can you think about that? Here it is, that's the time! Oh my God! And we're champion! Taylor, how can you say about that? We raced at the same time.
Hey, you guys did it!
Oh, we didn't cheat. No, we didn't cheat. Stop